Are you facing the issue where your iPhone is not charging? This problem can occur for a variety of reasons, ranging from software glitches to hardware issues with the charging port, cable, or adapter. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through troubleshooting steps to help you fix your iPhone without charging. Solution 1. Check your charging cable and adapter. A faulty cable or adapter is often the cause of charging problems. Try using a different charger, Apple certified, to rule out issues with your current one. If possible, try using a different power outlet to ensure the issue isn't related to the power source. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Sometimes dirt, dust, or debris can accumulate in your iPhone's charging port, preventing a proper connection. Take a flashlight and inspect the charging port for any visible debris. Use a small, dry brush or a toothpick to gently clean out any dirt from the port. Be careful not to damage the port. After cleaning, plug in the charger and see if it charges. Solution 3. Enable low power mode. Low power mode can help your iPhone charge more effectively by reducing background activities that drain the battery. Open Settings, then tap Battery. Toggle on lower power mode. This can sometimes help your iPhone charge quicker, especially if the battery is low and you need to charge it fast. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Outdated software can cause various performance issues, including not charging. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on General, then select Software Update. If there is an update available, install it to improve performance and fix charging issues. If you still have issues, then try visiting the Apple Repair Store to fix the hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone without charging. Let me know if these steps helped, or if you have further questions. Please let me know in the comments.